Going on, guys? Call of Rain here, back with another video. And today, as you can see, I've changed my name because I'm gonna do Call of Duties and stuff. Because I don't have Call of Duty now, because in this video only we're gonna play Clash of Clans only. Not. We're not. We're gonna go to Play Store and search Battlefield and install this. So I'll be back in 3. When this install, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. So now it's installed. Sorry if I'm bad at this because it's my first time playing it, and we try to hit some trick shots. Sorry because this video is not like the others, because my gaming headphones just broke yesterday, and tomorrow I'm going to get new ones. So yeah, maybe get better ones that I had. So shout out for Sven Gaming. He has a new channel. Go subscribe to him. He have 1 subscriber only. He's gonna do PlayStations and gaming other stuff. And go subscribe to him. And please, I don't mean any harm to you, because someone in my videos just disliked me, and if I know who it is, I'm not going to do you anything. The contrary, if he have YouTube videos, I would like him, because I did not did anything wrong to him to dislike my videos. So type your name here. Let's make it Call of Rain. Call of. Come on. Of Rain. So it seems it's not disliking. Not. Call of Rain. So yeah, let's get reward. So come on. I think I had this game, but I never did a YouTube video about it. Hello, I'm shooting you. You are not winning. Oh no, I have 92 health. Let's go the other way. I'm gonna shoot you. Come up. Let's do a trick shot. So that's a trick shot. It's not a trick shot, but it will do. I think I won. Yes! I have always these dumb videos. I think I'm gonna destroy. Start a mission. This gun is so annoying. This doesn't shoot well. It shoots like 8 bullets. Sorry, bro. No. Only one. But if you hit them 3 shots, they will kill. 1, 2, 3, and bye. Goodbye. 2 shots. The third shot by. Headshots. Headshot here. Headshot. Headshot. I'm doing all this headshots. I can't headshot these. And headshot and bye. And yes, I won. But I'm gonna switch this gun. Can you stop coming in my videos? No, I don't want to build a mighty city. Mission. Please be that gun. Oh yeah. Sorry, bro. Goodbye. Last check. They're throwing bombs at me. Don't you dare throw bombs at me. Let's headshot someone. I am low at health. Seven. Come on. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I'm 43 health. Can you please? You are so annoying. And yes. But I'm not thinking I'm gonna. Don't you dare try and shoot at me. I don't think I'm gonna do this. I'm at 13 health. 7% health. I lost. No. Mission failed. So that is gonna wrap up the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out.